Repair rust in 3 easy steps with Momar's SLR, Blackjack, and Stallion. This trio of solutions not only gets rid of existing rust, they prevent it from forming again. To get long-lasting results, we first recommend using SLR to assist with removal of rust, corrosion, grime, and bubbles from the surface you are treating. Dilute SLR according to the dilution chart found on the label. For our demonstration today, we are using SLR undiluted for ultra heavy-duty projects. SLR can be applied by spraying, foaming, soaking, or dipping. As you can see here, we are spraying the solution onto the surface, ensuring even coverage as we go. Use a wire brush to apply light agitation to the surface, removing any loose particles and giving you a relatively smooth surface to work with. After rinsing the surface and letting it dry, grab your Blackjack, give it a good shake, and get ready to convert some rust. Blackjack liquid can be applied by brushing, rolling, spraying, or dipping the surface, and the aerosol is applied by spraying the surface in a sweeping motion. Blackjack will dry to a black finish that will protect your surface for up to 5 years and can be painted after a 24-hour cure. For really harsh conditions, further seal the surface and protect it from corrosion with Stallion rubberized coating. Stallion liquid can be applied by brushing, swabbing, or spraying. We are using the aerosol version, so we will first shake up the can and then apply Stallion in a thin, even coat, like you would a regular spray paint. After use, be sure to remove any residual Stallion from the nozzle. If you've got weakened, rusty surfaces, treat them with this trio to protect from further corrosion and deterioration. Contact your Momar representative to order yours today.